Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
CFTC will remodel Lab CFTC Education Office to increase regulatory efficiency. CFTC Chairperson Berham spoke at a webinar about how the agency, even lacking a board authority, is trying to keep up with rapid development in financial technology. The United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, the regulatory agency that shares primary crypto regulatory responsibility with the Securities and Exchange Commission, will undergo restructuring to become more proactive and comprehensive. CFTC Chair Rustin Benham announced on Monday left the FTC, which was described as the focal point for the CFTC's effort to promote responsible fintech innovation, will become the Office of Technology Innovation, or OTI, and report directly to the chairman's office. We are now engaged a more proactive and comprehensive effort across the agency to regulate this market with the tools currently available to us, Benham said at a Brookings Institute webinar. Our core policy division are now directly addressing how the CFTC can leverage our existing authority to bring important regulatory protection to this market. In addition, the Commission's Office of Consumer Education and Outreach will be realigned with the Office of Public Affairs to better serve new retail participants in the market. The high level of retail participants is engaged. The digital assets markets from other commodities Benham observed, citing the FTC's studies. Trading indicative of retail participants make up approximately 25% of long open interest in the Bitcoin futures market. Benham also notes regulatory collective analysis paralysis. While financial technology has surged ahead, Benham was not always as kindly resigned to working within the agency's current authorities with like market surveillance and oversight ability as he sought himself to be today. In February, he told the Senate Committee of Agriculture, Nutrition and Forestry, which oversees his agency, that its dependence on tips and whistleblowers to uncover illicit activity resulted in a very narrow lens into what is actually happening in the market. Legislative proposals such as the Loomis Gulliver Bill and Digital Commodity Exchange Act grant the CFTC more authority over crypto markets. CFTC will remodel Lab CFTC Education Office to increase regulatory efficiency. CFTC Chairperson Benham spoke at a webinar about how agency, even lacking board authority, is trying to keep up with rapid developments in financial technology. The United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, the regulatory agency that shares primary crypto regulatory responsibility with the Securities Exchange Commission, will undergo restructuring to become more proactive and comprehensive. CFTC Chairperson Benham announced on Monday that Lab CFTC, which was described as the focal point for the CFTC's effort to promote responsible fintech innovation, will become the Office of Technology Innovation, or OTI, and report directly to the Chairman's office. We are now engaged in more proactive and comprehensive efforts across the agency to regulate this market with the tools currently available to us, Benham said at a Brookings Institute webinar. Our core policy division are now directly addressing how the CFTC can leverage our existing authority to bring important regulatory protection to this market. In addition to Commission of Office of Consumer Education and Outreach to be aligned within the Office of Public Affairs to be better served new retail participant in the market. The high level of retail participants distinguishes a digital assets market from the other commodity being observed citing CFTC study. Trading indicative of retail participant market up approximately 25% of long open interest in Bitcoin future markets. May also notice regulated collective analysis paralysis, while financial technology has surged ahead, may help us not always as calmly resigned to working within the agency current authorities with like market surveillance and oversight ability as he showed himself to be today. In February, he told the Senate Committee of Agricultural, Nutrition and Forestry, which oversees his agency, that its dependence on TV whistleblowers to uncover illicit activity resulted a very narrow lens into what is actually happening in the market. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.